Just look at this view. So this morning I'm taking a jog out in the countryside, and I wanted to share this with you. There's usually 4 things to feed when you're running a highly effective life, business, team, and that's mind, body, soul and heart. This morning I'm focusing on body as I'm taking a jog, but with this view and the surroundings, all 3 other elements, soul, heart and mind, is being consumed by this. Remember to feed yourself, to train, to practice, to look after your body, your mind, your heart and your soul, as it's the most important element of leading teams, people and businesses. I hope you have a good one. All the best.